If you have a General Electric or a Hot Point electric dryer, there are two different ways of hooking up the power cord depending on if you have a 3-wire or a 4-wire. First thing you'll do is take out the 1/4-inch screw there, remove your cover. What I have here is a 4-wire, but I'll demonstrate a 3-wire before I do this one. On the terminal block here, you're going to want to take and remove these 3 screws on all of those for the 3-wire. Next, you're going to take your strain relief, take the 2 screws out of it, and where that little half moon shaped piece, that will go inside. Like so, and we will go and lightly put the screws in there. And we'll just turn it a couple of turns there. And then we're going to take our 3-wire here and stick it through. Now for our center piece here, our center one, we'll go on the silver terminal there. It doesn't matter if the other two, you have a round all black one, doesn't really matter the other two, just the silver one or the white one goes in the center. Okay, now we'll go and we'll tighten these up. And we'll tighten up our strain relief here. So you will notice there is a bonding ground strap here that goes to the neutral wire. And when you have a 4-wire, we're going to remove this and place that green screw up here and attach our ground wire from our 4-wire up there. I'll demonstrate that next. Okay, as with the 3-wire, we'll put our strain relief on, and then we'll go ahead, slip our cable through here. Okay, got that cable through there, and now we'll go ahead and tighten up our strain relief. As I had mentioned earlier, this is only for the 3-wire, so we'll remove this green screw here. Take this little bonding strap here, you can discard this. We'll put our green screw up here on the top. Next, we'll go ahead, doesn't matter if it's a red wire or the black wire, it goes on the top. Go ahead and attach that. Next, we'll attach our white neutral wire to the center plug. Finally, we'll attach the bottom one. It's either black or red. And finally, we'll take our cover, place the two tabs in the 2 slots, replace our screw here.